Hey, I'm Chris with Mobility Solutions at AffordableMedicalUSA.com. As you can see, there's a lift and a scooter. This is the Revo 4-wheel by Pride Mobility. This is the Harmar AL100 by Harmar. It's a very easy lift to use. This is back here in the cradle. This arm locks it down. This arm's adjustable. This is adjustable. So if you have a scooter already, you can call us at 803-926-2224. Check us out online at AffordableMedicalUSA.com. We'll figure out what type of lift will work best for you. This goes on a lot of vehicles, and it blocks the back if you have like an SUV or van, so you need a swing away. So if you have any questions, or give us a call at 803-926-2224. It's very easy to use. It's just a rocker switch. You turn it on, press the button down, this arm comes up. Once this lift goes to the ground, you roll it off either way. Once you come back, you roll it onto the lift, you press this rocker switch up, this arm will come down, compress it. Give us a call at 803-926-2224 or visit us online at AffordableMedicalUSA.com.